Hi, good morning. This is Rahul Chandola, President of HBRC. Our stretch from Bristol Chalk till gate number 1, the grill was broken at many areas. So we have been following up with the DLF team and they've been kind enough to give us 50 such grills, which we are going to be installing in the entire green belt so that our area is completely secure. You would see this. Special thanks to DLF Estate Developers Limited, AVP Mr. Nitya Mohanji and his team for being so supportive towards the safety and security and maintenance of our area. We thank him on behalf of all the residents. Thank you. This is Rahul Chandola. Hi, good evening. This is Rahul Chandola on 7th of December 2022. Now this is day 1 of the grill fixing. Additional grill has been installed like this and we are completely securing the area. If you could see this. Proper putting has been done. More grills are lying there. So Babulal ji from the DLF contracting team is here, who is in charge of all this, getting the work done. Look at this. Once again, on behalf of all the residents of H Block, we would like to thank DLF maintenance team and especially Mr. Nitya Mohanji. Thank you. This is Rahul Chandola. Hi, good morning. This is Rahul Chandola on 8th of December 2022. This is day 2 of the fencing repair work, and so this is happening. Once again, we thank DLF Estate Developers Limited for their cooperation in securing our area. Thank you.